Did you know there's a list of foods that are shockingly high in protein and astonishingly low in calories? We're diving into the top 15 shockingly high protein, low calorie foods that are going to shake up your meal planning game and push you closer to your health and fitness goals. So sit tight and let's get rolling. Number 1, chicken breast. What better place to start than with a classic favorite, the humble chicken breast? But let's be honest. Calling chicken breast humble is probably a vast understatement. It's like calling Usain Bolt a fairly quick runner. It just doesn't quite capture the whole story. Chicken breast isn't just popular, it's the superstar when it comes to lean meat options for healthy meal plans. It's like the Brad Pitt of proteins, always on the A-list. The reasons are pretty straightforward. Firstly, it's widely available. Whether you're in New York or New Orleans, you're never too far from a chicken breast. A 4-ounce serving of chicken breast packs a whopping 31 grams of protein, and wait for it, only sets you back 140 calories. That's right. You get all that muscle-building, hunger-busting protein for less calories than a medium-sized latte from your favorite coffee shop. Number 2, turkey. Now, moving along our protein express, the next stop is none other than Turkey Town. Turkey breast is another lean meat superstar that's often overlooked. But trust me when I say it's giving chicken a run for its money. Think of it as the Meryl Streep of the protein world, universally loved and incredibly versatile. Its nutrition profile is strikingly similar to chicken. Just like our feathered friend, a 4-ounce serving of turkey breast also offers a jaw-dropping 31 grams of protein and carries a meager 140 calorie tag. And if you're a little calorie conscious or if your heart health is a priority, you'll be pleased to know that turkey, like chicken and other lean proteins, is way lower in saturated fat than traditional red meat. Number 3, eggs. All right, it's time to break some shells and spill the beans, or in this case, the eggs. Eggs, you say? Yes, indeed. They're not just for your morning scramble anymore. Eggs, both whole eggs and egg whites, are a fantastic choice when it comes to nutrient density. In fact, one whole egg is a tiny power pack that delivers 7 grams of protein for a modest 70 calories. It's like getting a protein nugget that doesn't weigh heavily on your calorie intake. But what if you want to step up the protein while keeping the calorie count even lower? Well, that's where egg whites come in. They're like the protein avengers. Fewer calories, pure protein. That being said, don't rule out the yolk. Whole eggs are treasure troves of many additional vitamins and minerals. Think of it as the yolk's secret gift to you, a nutritional bonus for your health. Number 4, pork loin. All right, let's take a little detour now. When I say pork, I bet the first things that pop into your mind are ham, bacon, or maybe some juicy ribs, right? But hold your horses. It's time to change that narrative and introduce you to the healthier side of the pork family. Meet the pork loin. It's like the cool, responsible cousin in the pork family who knows how to party but also maintains a lean figure. Pork loin, often overshadowed by its fattier relatives, is actually a white meat due to its lean nutrition profile. I know it's a plot twist worthy of a Hollywood thriller, but it gets even better. 4 ounces of pork loin can supply your body with a solid 23 grams of protein, and it only costs you 130 calories. It's like getting an awesome protein punch without the heavyweight calorie aftermath. We've got plenty more protein powerhouses to discover. Keep watching. Number 5, salmon. Okay, let's switch gears a bit and set sail into the sea of seafood. The first port of call, the king of the ocean, salmon. Often hailed as the jewel in the crown of nutritious foods, salmon isn't just a protein powerhouse, but a carrier of some fantastic health benefits. One that stands out is its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids. You might be wondering why these omega-3 fatty acids are such a big deal, right? Well, they are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and boosting your brain power. And salmon is one of the few natural food sources that's brimming with these omega-3 superheroes. But let's get back to the protein part. A 4-ounce serving of this rich, flavorful fish offers a massive 23 grams of protein and clocks in at about 200 calories. In terms of nutritional bang for your buck, salmon is swimming well ahead of the pack. Number 6, tuna. Let's dive back into the sea for our next protein superhero. Swim along with me as we journey into the world of this sleek, muscular fish that packs a serious protein punch. Welcome aboard, tuna. Tuna is not just a popular choice because it tastes good. It's a staple in many healthy meal plans for good reason. with a staggering 32 grams of protein and just 140 calories in a 4-ounce serving. Tuna is like the heavyweight champion in the lean protein league. And the beauty of tuna is that you can get the benefits whether you choose the fresh steaks or the convenient canned version. Number 7. Whitefish. All right, we've been making quite a splash with our seafood so far, but we're not done yet. Let's stay in the ocean a little longer and dive into the world of whitefish. When it comes to lean, high-protein options, nearly all types of whitefish are your go-to guys. Tilapia, bassa, halibut, cod, snapper. They're like the super squad of lean, mean protein machines. Why not invite them into your weekly menu rotation? Let's take cod as an example. Just 4 ounces of this white, flaky fish gives you a whopping 25 grams of protein for less than 120 calories. It's like getting a protein buffet without the calorie hangover. Number 8. Shrimp. Are you ready for the next wave in our ocean of high-protein, low-calorie foods? This time, we're diving into the world of these tiny yet mighty sea creatures. Put your hands together for shrimp. Shrimp might be small in size, but trust me, they are massive when it comes to protein. A 4-ounce serving brings a robust 24 grams of protein to your plate, while keeping your calorie intake in check at a mere 120. But the magic of shrimp doesn't stop at its protein-to-calorie ratio. Oh no! They come with their own secret weapon. They're quick to cook. You know what that means, right? They're the perfect ally for your meal prep. Number 9. Greek yogurt. All right, we've swum through the sea of high-protein foods. Now it's time to venture onto land and open the fridge. Our next protein powerhouse is a creamy delight, a superstar from the dairy aisle. It's Greek yogurt. What makes Greek yogurt so special? Well, this thick and creamy wonder packs an impressive 11 grams of protein while serving up only 70 calories in a 4-ounce portion. Talk about a lean protein champion. But Greek yogurt is not just a protein maestro, it's also incredibly versatile. As a snack, it's the perfect pick-me-up. As a breakfast topped with fresh fruit and nuts, it's a hearty way to kickstart your day. Number 10, edamame. As we sail forward in our high-protein, low-calorie food journey, let's set our compass towards the plant kingdom. Calling all vegetarians, vegans, and plant-based enthusiasts, it's time to spotlight a green gem that's full of protein goodness. Meet edamame. Edamame, also known as young soybeans, is more than just a popular appetizer at your favorite sushi restaurant. It's a plant-based protein powerhouse. What sets edamame apart from many other plant proteins? It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs, and in the right balance. A 4-ounce serving of these vibrant green pods delivers 16 grams of protein for just 140 calories. Now that's a protein-packed plant power. But the wonders of edamame don't stop there. This plant-based hero is loaded with fiber and other key nutrients that promote better health. Talk about a nutritional triple threat. Number 11, tofu. Still on our plant-based protein tour, it's time we introduced another star of the show. A humble food that's been a staple in Asian cuisine for centuries and a favorite among vegetarians and vegans worldwide. Get ready for tofu. Tofu, made from soybeans, might not win any beauty contests, but when it comes to nutritional merits, it sure does shine. A 4-ounce serving of tofu serves up around 9 grams of protein, all for fewer than 90 calories. It's like having a secret protein weapon that doesn't tip the calorie scale. Number 12, cottage cheese. And we're back, cruising through our dairy detour. Let's now take a turn towards another dairy delight that's been a long-time favorite in the world of fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious eaters. Meet cottage cheese. Cottage cheese may not sound glamorous, but let me assure you, it's got some serious credentials. This humble dairy wonder offers a pretty generous 14 grams of protein for a slim 80 calories in a 4-ounce serving. That's a protein boost without a calorie overload. Cottage cheese is also incredibly versatile. Have it as a high-protein snack when that midday hunger strikes. Or use it as a satiating addition to your breakfast that will keep you powered throughout the morning. Number 13, low-fat cheese. It's time to talk about a food that often gets overlooked in the world of healthy eating. Yes, we're taking a detour to the wonderful, flavorful world of cheese. Now, I hear you, cheese sometimes gets a bad rap in the health space. But hang on a minute. It's not all about full-fat cheddar or creamy brie. There's a whole spectrum of cheeses out there, and some of them might surprise you with their nutritional credentials. Take part-skim mozzarella or goat cheese, for instance. They're like the undercover agents of the cheese world. In a 4-ounce serving of these low-fat cheeses, you're looking at a whopping 28 grams of protein and just about 200 calories. That's right. It's possible to enjoy cheese and still stay on track with your healthy eating goals. Number 14, seitan. As we continue our journey in the plant-based realm, we're about to meet a food that's built a reputation as a mighty meat alternative. Seitan, sometimes called wheat meat, is a game-changer in the plant-based diet. Made primarily from wheat flour and water, this unique food takes on a meat-like texture that can fool even the most dedicated carnivores. But the magic of seitan doesn't stop at texture. This wheat-based wonder packs a protein punch. A 4-ounce serving of seitan comes in at just 120 calories, but delivers a hearty 24 grams of protein. So, for those of you looking for a high-protein, low-calorie meat alternative, seitan could be your new best friend. Number 15, lentils. All right, let's take a walk on the legume lane, where protein and nutrients are the order of the day. And when it comes to legumes, there's one standout that deserves a little extra attention. Let's roll out the red carpet for lentils. Lentils, these tiny but mighty discs, pack quite the nutritional punch. A 4-ounce serving of cooked lentils brings to the table a robust 10 grams of protein for a mere 130 calories. Protein power? Check. Calorie control? Check. But lentils are not just about protein and calories. They're a nutrition powerhouse, offering good amounts of fiber, iron, and folate. They're like the Swiss Army knife of legumes, ready to provide multiple health benefits in one compact package. From the leanest meats to the mightiest plant-based proteins, we've left no stone unturned on this culinary expedition. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you have a favorite high-protein, low-calorie food from our list? Or maybe you've got a protein-packed secret of your own to share? Drop a comment below and let's get a conversation going. And if you found value in this video, I've got a tiny favor to ask. Hit that like button. It really does help us to create more content like this, and it's a simple way for you to show your support. Oh, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any future videos. We've got loads more nutrition tips, food hacks, and healthy lifestyle guides lined up for you. See you in the next video.